Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this leaseaway hair right here. The hair is a 360 lace frontal wigs. It has two comb at the front, one in the middle and one at the back of the wig. The hair is actually in the length 22 inches. That it has baby hair around the perimeters, and that's what the hairline looks like. The hairline has been pre-plucked straight from the box. I applied the hair on my head and I combed it all back to show you guys what the hair looks like before applying any glue or gel on it. I cut off the excess lace of the wig and I applied the hair with the got to be glued. The hair is actually really soft and I love the fact that the curls were popping straight from the box. I applied the got to be glued on my forehead and I blow dried it and let it get tacky before laying the hair on the areas where I applied the gel. I blow dry the hair again just to be sure that the hair is laying flat and secured on my head, and also after that I laid my scarf on the hair just to make sure that the hair is really flat on my head. And I waited for about 10 minutes or so, then I took off the scarf and voila, the hair was laying really well on my head. And I comb the hair all back to show you guys what the hair looks like after installing it. Then after taking off the scarf, guys, look at the curls of the hair straight from the box. Like seriously, I didn't bother to curl the hair at all throughout this video because guys, look at that, the curls are popping. This is a kind of hair that you don't even need to stress or worry about. When you get the hair, you just have to cut the lace and apply your glue and you're good to go. Look at the curls, guys. Look at the curls. You know me, guys, I don't really like baby hair because I don't know how to apply them, but I did one for the one on my head. But don't judge my baby hair, guys. Just don't judge my baby hair. Anyway, you can part the hair anyhow you like. You can do side part, you can do half part, you can do any part you like, because you can part the hair up to the back. And I showed you guys how I applied my powder on the part just to make it look more natural and all. But if you make any mistake by applying any powder on your hair, just feel free to apply water on your toothbrush and use it to wipe the excess powder or concealer off. That's the easiest way I think works for me. And that's it for me, guys. Look at that. I really love the curls of the hair. The hair is really soft, very shiny. No product whatsoever on this hair, like no product whatsoever. I didn't apply anything. This is just what the hair looks like straight from the box. But I decided to curl two stripes or two I just did two coils on the hair just to assure you guys that it's real human hair. So that's all I did so far. I didn't curl the rest of the hair. I just did two curls because I was actually feeling the curls that came with the hair straight from the box. So that's what the hair looks like, guys. I am in love with this hair. It's really soft and the curls are bouncy. And if you're the type that you don't really know how to customize your wig, then I definitely recommend that you get this hair, because you don't need to tongue it, you don't need to coil it, because everything has been done. You don't need to pluck it. In fact, the hair has also been pre-bleached straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything but just cut the lace and apply the hair on your head and you're good to go. And if you don't want to use glue as well, you can use the elastic strap in the cap to secure the hair, and you can style the hair anyhow you like. You can go for half part, you can go for off off up, half down, and you can do rough bun. You can do anything you like with the hair, just like your own natural hair. So that's it for me for now, guys. I really like the hair and I'll definitely recommend that you guys check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Please make sure you stay tuned for the review to learn more about the hair. Bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Bodywave hair right here. The hair is actually from an Amazon store, which is the DLW hair store. It's a 360 lace frontal wig. I showed you guys how I style the hair in the video and I am loving the hair so far. The hair is really soft. It came straight from the box looking like this. This is what the curl pattern looks like straight from the box. I decided not to curl this hair in order for me to show you guys what the hair looks like straight from the box. The hair is very easy to style. It's a 360 lace frontal wig, but I decided not to use glue or gel to secure the back of the wig. I actually used the comb at the back of the wig to secure the back of the wig, and I was still able to, you know, put the hair up as a ponytail, which is really nice. I also like the fact that the quality of the hair is amazing, guys. Look at the curls straight from the box, guys, straight from the box. Look at that, guys. I did not curl the hair at all. This is what the hair looks like straight from the box, and I actually curled like 2 bits from this side, and this other side is actually what the hair looks like straight from the box. So this hair is really easy to install and style. So if you decide not to curl the hair straight from the box, this is what the hair would look like when you wear it. So I think this is very easy for beginners. So in case you want to install the hair and you don't want to stress about it, all you need to do is just to adjust the elastic strap at the back. You can also use the gel to secure the front of the wig if you like. That's if you like. But apart from that, I believe this hair is very easy to install. You don't have to apply gel or glue or anything at all to be able to, you know, wear this wig straight from the box. Another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that the hairline has been pre-plucked straight from the box. The hairline has been pre-plucked to perfection, so depending on the look you're going for, I showed you guys how I put the hair up as ponytail, but if you're the type that like baby hair, definitely there is baby hair around the perimeters. If you saw the unboxing at the beginning, you'd notice that there is baby hair around the perimeters of the hair. So if you're the type that really like baby hair, then you feel free to, you know, apply your baby hair like I did in the first styling, which I did the messy bun updo. And if you don't like baby hair, feel free to, you know, brush the baby hair into the wig, and you're also good to go. So depending on the look you're going for, but if you're the type that love baby hair, yes, the hair actually has baby hair around the perimeters of it. And another thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is just amazing. It's really very soft. Despite styling it and everything, the curls were still there. I just decided not to curl it because I decided not to curl it like I curl every hair in my video, because I believe this is one of the hair that you can just wear straight from the box without having to worry or stress about styling it or anything. All you have to do is just wear the wig, you know, put your party wherever you want it, and you're good to go. You don't need to curl it, you don't need to do anything at all, as in it's so easy, guys. This is definitely a beginner friendly wig, but if you are a pro and you want to apply glue, and then that's fine, or if you want to apply gel, then that's fine, depending on what you want to go for. In my opinion, this is the very good hair for beginners, so you don't have to worry about anything. And also another thing I noticed about the hair, which I showed you guys at the beginning of the hair, is the fact that the knot has also been bleached straight from the box. You don't have to do anything at all. You just need to adjust the elastic strap and you're good to go. Wear the hair glueless, and at the same time you can still have the hair up as a bun. So depending on what you want or what the look you're going for, I'm really quite loving the hair, especially based on the fact that the curls are just popping. Even despite the fact that I didn't, you know, curl the hair or anything, I really like the fact that it's also true to length. But the most interesting thing that I really love about it is how easy it is to style and install. Like that for me is just amazing. Like hands down, I highly recommend this if you are a beginner and you don't want to ruin your wig, or you don't want to stress about anything at all, guys. Anything at all, I'll definitely recommend the hair for you guys. This, if I could rock this any day anytime without having to curl the hair or worry about curling the hair at all. So that's, for me, is just a no-brainer. So apart from that, I really love the quality of the hair, and I also like the fact that the hair is true to length. This hair is actually 130 density, so it looks so natural on me. And I also noticed that there have been no tangling or shedding whatsoever since I started working on the hair. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.